It starts with a complaint, then it gets louder. Today, we're watching things spiral out of control mid-flight. This is Iron Age. Let's go! A crowded terminal became the stage for unexpected drama after an argument escalated into a physical fight. Police intervened swiftly, separating the individuals as travelers looked on in disbelief. Sometimes the fastest way to miss your flight is starting a fight before boarding. Unable to get her way, she chose to trash the airline's check-in counter, blocking everyone else from checking in. A perfect example of how entitlement can ruin an entire terminal in seconds.
No. Yeah,
It wasn't until officers showed up and removed them from the aircraft that they realized their mistake. Unfortunately, by then, the damage was already done.
Oh, good, thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Shake your hand. I'm gonna shake your hand. Shake your hand. I'm gonna shake your hand. I wanna shake his hand. I wanna shake his hand. Pull me off the plane. I wanna shake his hand.
Was that an attempt to start a fight? Or an awkward peace handshake gone completely wrong?
You f***ing idiot. You f***ing idiot. Wipe this up. Wipe this up.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
You doing okay?
Yeah, fine.
When was the last time you had something to drink?
Last night, like 10 hours ago, at least.
It's deeply alarming when a pilot, the person ultimately responsible for hundreds of lives in the air, shows poor judgment by consuming alcohol so close to a scheduled flight. Even though he claimed his last drink was 10 hours earlier, failed sobriety tests and visible physical signs suggested the alcohol was still impairing his performance. Aviation safety depends on absolute clarity and discipline, and even the slightest impairment is unacceptable at 35,000 feet. Thankfully, quick action from security staff and fellow crew members prevented what could have turned into a catastrophic incident.
Oh, hey, before you sit down, just place your heel right there for you. Palms up. All right, go ahead and wash your hands again. Just grab a break.
I saw her and her uncles and aunts and all cousins swim the goddamn Rio Grande, and they go, open the door. Now I'm getting claustrophobic. Okay, this is it. I've got to sit down. I am coming. No. Oh, God, my back. I'm coming to you, Jesus. Jesus, mighty God, help me. Oh, God.
A man sparked outrage after making racist remarks in public, turning what should have been an ordinary situation into an uncomfortable and hostile scene.
Sir, you're gonna have take a seat? This jet bridge is broken. It's gonna
Give me a signal where I sat.
Have your luggage ever been damaged?
You saw him, and I'm reporting.
The argument should have ended with words, but instead it escalated into physical confrontation. After being spat on, the flight attendant reacted, and within moments, the cabin turned into a struggle zone. Passengers jumped in to help restrain the disruptive traveler as the flight crew regained control. Chaos broke out on an American Airlines flight when a passenger suddenly began attacking flight attendants, claiming demons had followed him onto the aircraft. Cabin crew and nearby passengers rushed to restrain the man as the situation quickly escalated.
Has he done anything wrong? Has he done anything wrong? Okay, like I said.
One heated dispute was all it took to turn passengers into a united front. Frustrated travelers made it clear they were done with the drama, and the woman was soon escorted off the aircraft. Sometimes the loudest message isn't spoken by one person. It comes from an entire cabin ready to fly in peace.
I apologize, but you were hearing her making remarks to us the whole time. Seen of him at the door.
Everybody just shut up. Shut up. Everybody just... You start telling everybody to shut up. Everybody gonna get an attitude, bro. Be quiet. If you want her removed from the flight, please raise your hand. I'm not even kidding. Want her removed from the flight. I'm not even kidding. I got 40 hands up. Sir, I want her off the plane. I don't care. I'm trying to prove a point. You want to be a dick to people? Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not even kidding.
She literally pointed back at you.
Guys, guys, don't say anything back, please.
What do you want? I don't know what I did.
I don't know either. He's back and forth for something like 30,000 feet. All right, guys, have a good flight. Humanity. If you're a human, no, you shut up and sit down. No, nobody cares. Where's Homeland Security? There should be Homeland Security. Step away from me.
Some passengers forget this isn't a movie scene. It's a real aircraft full of real people.
Why should you be scared? We have dogs on and dogs on security. Well, tell them to bring SWAT to shoot me down, because they're going to have to shoot me down today. You can all run away if you want. If you're men, you can run. I won't kill you. As renamed by God Baltar, since I'm taking over this plane.
Dude, I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, you can't get by that.
I've been there for 15 minutes. Call from Mr. I've been in there for 15 minutes.
Where's your ID?
I changed out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Some people forget that aviation safety rules exist for everyone, even those who work in the industry. Attempting to re-enter the airport in disguise after being removed shows not professionalism, but arrogance and poor decision-making. In aviation, judgment matters just as much as skill. Unfortunately, his actions turned an avoidable situation into a legal problem and a permanent stain on his professional reputation.
Part of the problem is you want everything every step of the way your way. That's not a reality. There you go.
What they do is have to show up before. Okay? So by doing that, do you have any questions? No. Okay.
All right, so to get the long term, you're going to go up first?
Oh, here's the other thing.
You have to go to court the first time and they'll tell you everything.
Not on my part, not on the airport department. They're going to solve this meter. See the level of the charge? Everyone here wants you to say.
You shut up. I know that. Out of here.
Overhead bins are shared space, not personal property. Losing your temper guarantees you lose your seat too.
same way. I'm not gonna say nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't. Yup, record me. Hey! Stay right there. Don't move. Wait till they're all off.
What?
Then you go.
He put his luggage up here. Look.
Maxim's going. Let me. Sir, I'm gonna ask you one more time.
No,
Please
don't
stop.
point
Please,
it. Don't
please,
put your finger at.
Please stop.
You point your finger at.
Overhead bins are shared space, not personal property. Losing your temper guarantees you lose your seat too.
No, you
That's
point.
okay. That's okay.
Yeah. Are you seeing her this way? Yeah, we can grab our stuff.
Please be seated and fasten your seatbelt.
Here it is. Here it is. Get on the ground.
Absolute chaos unfolded at a Florida airport after a bomb threat forced a full evacuation, only for officers to discover the suspect trying to escape through a baggage carousel wearing nothing but socks. Police quickly deployed a taser to stop the naked man before anyone was hurt.
I don't need evac, man. I do not. I just want to get out of here, bro. I'm naked. Where do we go, man? Book me. Or get me the hell out of here, please.
They've got to come pull these taser probes out.
No, you didn't ask for a what?
No jurisdiction.
I'm a peace officer of the state of Texas and the flight attendants have asked.
The flight crew's job is safety, not babysitting grown adults. After repeated chances to cooperate, this passenger chose confrontation over common sense. The result? A delayed flight, frustrated travelers, and charges that will last far longer than the trip itself.
Why would you do that?
Do you have any bags?
Oh, yeah.
Have your bag behind us.
What have I done wrong?
You were told to get off the aircraft, ma'am.
She spit.
Yeah.
We don't know if she had a bag or not.
It was, oh.
Are these your only bags?
Is it in your bag?
Oh, yeah.
Relax.
Don't. Change up, ma'am. You didn't get off the plane when they told you to get off the plane.
Yeah, my ID. My ticket to ride.
All right.
You are.
I get a great escort.
Yep.
Excuse me, sir. I didn't mean to
Once you board an aircraft, safety rules are not optional. Instead of cooperating and resolving the situation calmly, this passenger chose arrogance and confrontation, making everything worse. Arguing about personal rights while actively disrupting safety procedures never ends well. Authorities simply did their job to protect everyone on board.
For what?
Stop resisting.
I'm not. They are pushing me into you. And you're, all right, hold on. No. Tell me where the video cameras are here. There's no such thing as disorderly in a non-public place. This is
law enforcement.
battery because
Spat on me.
All right, hey, hold on, wait, pause, Sheriff. Hey, I know you didn't just apply more force. I know you didn't just apply more force. Got them under control. Whoever's in charge.
Get in the squad. Stop.
But you should give me just one answer. Can you accept? You want to go economy?
It's not an option for me.
Yeah, there isn't any.
Why do so many people like to cause trouble on airplanes?
You don't propose economy to normal. It's not normal.
No, you should give me just one answer. You are accept. There isn't an option. There is no
Yeah, I have a seat with this one.
If you are accept, please accept to economy. Just only food. There is nobody.
Please, don't worry. I just come out of bed.
It's on fire.
Oh my gosh. Another airport meltdown proves how fast things go downhill when emotions take over. Mid-flight chaos forced the crew to take extreme action when a disruptive passenger refused to calm down. Mid-flight chaos forced the crew to take extreme action when a disruptive passenger refused to calm down.
그만해! 씨발놈아! 야 그만하라고 개새끼야! 너 나랑 그렇게 가자 개새끼야. 하고 싶은 대로 하세요.
Oh my gosh!
And then we'll get you off.
Okay, I just dealt with the FBI. I know what I'm up against. So.
It's just...
Flying is a shared space, not a personal stage. Arguing, shouting, and refusing instructions only guarantees one destination, the exit door.
You tell him that.
That's awesome. I got my 5-year-old here.
Hey, guess what? Our country's so thanks for Joe Biden.
On the ground, that was simple.
Discrimination. Discrimination. Maybe you should.
Oh no! Oh my God! I'm gonna go have a beer and don't give about what you guys say.
7 of these. America, this is a First Amendment right.
Come this way, sir.
Yes, sir.
Relax. Go over there now. What's going on?
That's the man you got to talk
You need to talk.
What started as an ordinary flight ended with one passenger losing control, harassing others, and creating unnecessary chaos on board. Denial and weak excuses couldn't outweigh the clear evidence captured by cameras and witnessed by everyone around him. Credit to the officers for handling a highly intoxicated and aggressive individual with patience and professionalism. In the end, the real consequence wasn't just embarrassment, it was legal trouble that could have been avoided with a little self-control.
Yeah, but you're gonna defend that?
Come on, let's
Throw it the f away.
Yeah, you're a... Come here. Where do you want it? Over there. Tony.
You just say he was punching
Lean
me?
up against the truck.
Oh, this would be good. Yeah.
Have you ever been in the chair
Yeah,
in
but
Hillsborough County?
Thank you.
Yes, sir. He was charged.
This is not the way to get past security.
Yeah, you're literally pissing off your customers. Shut the f up. Take those glasses. Bro, I'm telling you, you're disrespecting all your...
Nothing says instant regret quite like offering $100 for a seat in the cockpit over a missing phone charger. Instead of calmly asking for help, this passenger turned a minor inconvenience into a full-blown spectacle, delivering a long, dramatic speech no one asked for. The cockpit isn't a VIP lounge, and aviation security isn't negotiable. What was meant to solve a tiny problem only earned him viral fame for all the wrong reasons.
I'll talk all day to defend my people. I'll talk. No, I got a lot of bags.
The flight attendant handled the situation remarkably well.
I got the Louis bag and I got the Herschel bag. I'm fine to fly. Fat! Talk to Dylan.
Okay,
The Louis bag and the Herschel bag.
Okay, just sit right here. Now look at your bag.
Sorry, you alright? I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Come on, nice. Oh, we tried. Yeah, stay on this bridge. I tried. You going through some shit too, so I get it, man. I was like, I tried.
No injuries, no major damage, but a clear reminder that even after landing, the job isn't over. Begging on an airplane. All this chaos over a seat kick. Instead of using words or calling a flight attendant, she chose frustration over self-control and turned a small annoyance into a criminal situation. One moment of anger was enough to end the trip in handcuffs instead of at the destination. On a plane, patience travels much farther than aggression.
Oh! Oh! Ooh! I got it, don't worry.
A family vacation ended before it even began. Tempers flared, words were exchanged, and the situation escalated after the family allegedly abused the flight crew. Airlines have one simple rule: respect the crew or don't fly.
I have 2 points. Number one, when you're in airlines, take care of your customers and don't call the cops.
Who do you think was in the wrong in this situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know your perspective.
What did you mean by that? I was making a point, you know, a white doctor who's 59 years old for doing nothing, then why should black people trust you?
She is so fresh. Wanting extra space is understandable, but demanding an emergency exit seat for a child crosses the line between comfort and safety.
Can you help me?
Where's your bag at?
Why are you yelling at me? I don't know where my bag is. It's up there, and guess what?
Shut up!
Don't shut me up. You... Oh.
Alcohol doesn't just ruin a flight, it can ruin your future too. Instead of cooperating and leaving peacefully, this woman chose to resist, shout, and escalate the situation, forcing police to step in with stronger measures. Her behavior created chaos for the crew and hundreds of passengers who simply wanted to travel safely. Credit to the officers who remained remarkably patient despite the insults and disruptive conduct.
Anything on you?
It actually hurts a lot. I'm not gonna lie. What's happening?
What began as a routine flight quickly turned into a moment no passenger ever wants to experience.
I don't know what just happened. He just got on top of the jet.
This incident is a perfect reminder that airports are not places for impulsive decisions. A seemingly small theft triggered a high-risk confrontation involving law enforcement, aircraft security, and public safety. The calm coordination between officers prevented panic and protected lives without escalating violence. When someone turns recklessness into a security threat, legal consequences are no longer optional, they're inevitable.
You guys check for taser probes too? No, not yet. I don't know where they're at.
I don't know if they hit him or not.
What is he doing? NFL star Terrell Davis is removed from United Airlines flight by FBI. Good call diverting the plane. Zero tolerance for in-flight chaos.
We live in a fascist state.
Someone got offended that
Have you ever flown on a plane with a dog?
and the animal got first class.
Yes, sir.
Sir, back up. I don't want to. He's backing up.
I know, sir.
Back up.
Sir, I don't know.
Yeah, we keep stepping back.
Sir, I don't know.
No. We don't need to shake your hand.
I'm trying to help you out.
Sometimes instant karma doesn't start with yelling. It starts with paperwork. At an airport workplace, a routine request for a doctor's note about special equipment quickly turned into a personal battle. Instead of cooperating, this employee decided policies didn't apply to him. Voices rose, space was invaded, warnings were ignored. Passengers and staff watched as a simple HR issue escalated into a police situation. And moments later, handcuffs replaced arguments, all over a problem that could have been solved with one appointment and one signature.
Ya está listo, come on, no haga más problema, vente, vamos para el cajón. Open the window.
Looks like someone was in a hurry. You shouldn't learn this way, guys.
Report from the crew that you were touching a woman that you don't know that was in the same row.
This man's behavior is a clear example of disrespecting personal boundaries. Touching a stranger while they are asleep is unacceptable and crosses into harassment, regardless of whether alcohol was involved. Blaming the flight attendants for serving drinks is simply absurd. Every adult is responsible for their own actions and limits. His aggressive attitude and resistance toward police only escalated the situation, turning what could have been a minor incident into serious criminal charges.
Ask a question. Okay. I'm asking you, may I ask a question? What? Take your bag off. Seriously? I'm listening. And I will put you on the ground. You understand? What am I doing? I am asking you if I may ask you what. I've had 2 drinks and I'm asking you, may I ask a question?
Okay, what's the question? Go ahead, get this.
My question was...
Aspects since I got off the goddamn plane and you're putting me in handcuffs.
I'm right here.
Okay? That is what you're telling me. The flight attendant is right and you're gonna arrest me. Yo!
Get up.
You better get my glasses.
Get up.
Listen. The flight attendant gave you a drink and then arrest me. No. What's your name? What's the name? Because I didn't do a motherfucking thing. Oh, holy.
Oh no. In seconds, everything changed. Karma works fast. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and join Iron Age for more video.